Did you get a present from Chris and Jocelyn? Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna open it?
It's a big box.
Why don't you help her with that string, Daddy? She probably can't get that off.
We need scissors.
Well, you can just pull it off. I'm recording.
What?
Coda, look out, please.
Move.
Okay, let's.
Let's see. What is it? I don't know. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. It's a dollhouse. Wow.
Wowee.
That's a really nice one, Maddie. Yes, you can.
Look at that.
That's cool. Coda, get out of the way. Yeah, we can open it. Say thank you, Chris and Jocelyn.
Thank you, Chris.